Hi everyone, Terry Cobain here with Conveyor CAster. Believe it or not, I often get calls and emails asking, Terry, do you have casters? Oh boy, do we have casters. See all these pallets and boxes on all this pallet rack? These are all casters. This is a rig. This is a wheel. Now it's a caster. These are casters. Those are casters. All this, you guessed it, casters. This is where we make the casters. This is where we ship the casters. We've even got these casters. I don't know what they're for, but we got them. Since 1961, Conveyor CAster has had the casters. But seriously, if you have any wheel caster needs, Conveyor CAster has been one of the biggest OEM and MRO caster suppliers in the country since the 1960s. We stock and assemble right here in Westlake, Ohio. Just ask, we got it.